We now proceed towards the light.
Respected teachers of our school to honor our dignitaries.
I would like to call Mr. Bilal Hasan, class teacher of 12th.
Mr. Mirza Vilayat Bakhtar, class teacher of
In the same. Now I would like Honorable Babaji, respected principal sir, master superintendent sir, all teachers and all the seniors of class 12. A very good morning to everyone present here. Today is not just a farewell, it's celebration of the movement that made this school feel like our home. On behalf of our school, we warmly welcome our beloved seniors of class 12. Not just as seniors, but as our guides, our inspiration, and our silent supporters. From the first day we entered this school, we saw you as role models, confident, hardworking, and full of dreams. Whether it was academic competition, sports, or any cultural event, you always showed us what discipline and dedication truly means. As we are stepping into a new chapter of life, we know bigger challenges await you, but so do endless opportunities. Your hard work will surely lead you to success. Though today we are saying goodbye, the memories you leave behind will always stay with us. In classrooms, in corridors, and definitely in our hearts. You will be missed, but your legacy will continue to inspire us. Once again, welcome to your seniors and have a very wonderful farewell. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to call Kushi Chaudhary for her experience share. Principal sir, our Babaji, our respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Kushi Chaudhary from class 12 science team. Actually, I think this is the last time I am saying these words from the stage of my school. Because afterwards, we will not be able to call ourselves the students of class 12 or the students of a school. Our class 12 journey was just a roller coaster ride. In starting, we were like, where we are going, but finally, we are at a stage that we are feeling proud to be. हमने कभी यहाँ पे कुछ सीखा भी है तो कभी कुछ खोया भी है हमारे क्लास में की हुई मस्तियाँ हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगी वैसे तो मैं क्लास फर्स्ट से ही मॉनिटर रहती हूँ तो थोड़ी तो स्ट्रिक्ट रहती थी लाइक कभी सबको साइलेंट करा देना तो कभी ब्लैक बोर्ड पे सबके नाम लिख देना बट इन दैट bunch of happiness which I have and my friends I would like to see भले ही हमारे रास्ते अब यहाँ से जुड़ा हो रहे हैं बट हम हमेशा अपने दिल में ये याद रखेंगे क्लास की की हुई मस्तियाँ और हमारे साथ बिताए हुए वो पल so with this I would like to wrap my speech and say thank you to all a very very thank you.
Honorable Principal Sir, the dedicated faculty, model sir, and teachers of our school, my friends, and the future of this institution, our juniors. I am grateful to the school for giving me this opportunity. स्कूल एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ सिर्फ academics ही नहीं बल्कि reality discussion भी होती है। It taught me discipline, it taught me how to handle pressure, and it prepared me for a world where effort is important. But outcomes are not always predictable. For that learning, I sincerely acknowledge the role of my teachers अगर मैं कहूँ कि अपनी जर्नी को हमें से डिस्क्राइब करता हूँ, ये हमेशा स्मूथ नहीं है। There were moments when things felt unfavorable, even though they were correct according to the rules and systems. कभी-कभी डिसीजंस ऐसे होते हैं जो टेक्निकली तो राइट होते हैं, पर इमोशनली थोड़े हैवी होते हैं। I also learned that hard work doesn't always shine, but the more you expect, the harder you disappoint. There were times where my efforts were visible, but my abilities were still questions. और शायद वही मोमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा सिखाता है। It taught me that trusting others is good, but trusting yourself is much better. The end, you will find yourself alone. There will be no one to care you for. यही मैं समझा कि एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना गलत नहीं है, पर उम्मीद से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर लेना ही गलत होता है। To my friends, thank you all for being a part of the journey through ups, downs, silence and patience. याद है वो क्लास बंद करना? कहीं क्लास में आते तो क्लास में बैठकर एक साथ हंसी आती है, तो कहीं किसी के बैग से टिफिन निकाल करके चोरी करके खा लेता। वो सब बातें बहुत याद आएंगी मेरे दोस्तों। फिर कैंटीन में जाना तो एक समोसे के बदले 2 समोसे उठा ले जाना, और कुछ दोस्ती होंगी कहीं बाहर घूमना तो कहीं और। Maybe I have some tears in my eyes, but still I will miss you all, and I always remember that you are part of the institution from my classroom. It's एक ऐसी याद आएगी, including memories, but one thing which was hard for me was to find a true friend who is more than a brother. That was same as finding hidden goodwill from a phone. Setting up vibes like a balance sheet. हर एक्सपीरियंस कंफर्टेबल हो ये जरूरी नहीं है, बट एवरी एक्सपीरियंस हैज अ पर्पस। अगर मैं यहाँ से सिर्फ मेमोरीज लेके नहीं जा रहा, मैं क्लैरिटी, कॉन्फिडेंस और एक स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट लेकर के जा रहा हूँ। Because sometimes the lesson that hurt the most are the ones that prepare for the best. Thank you.